welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a little bit of a get ready with me video, from a shower to heading out the door. It's just going to be short and sweet, and I think I babble a little bit too much, so please forgive me. But if you don't mind me babbling, my name is Angela, and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle, so I would love it if you could click that subscribe button. Let's get ready. I actually have to go in and have my first in-person meeting for work that I've had probably in about, well, I guess it's almost been a month since I've had to go into work and be around people instead of just on Zoom. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the steps that I've been doing just to get ready, especially like this summer. So this is kind of like more like my summer routine of how I get ready. But the first thing I want to talk about is actually my skincare line. So I for the past probably 6 months, I've been using Clinique products, but only for the last month I've changed their line. This is their acne solutions line that I've changed to, and I changed this for a specific reason. So when I was working for the Stampede, it was during July, so it was really hot out, but we had to wear masks all the time, obviously, which I don't mind. However, I got really congested, like around my chin, because it was hot and sweaty. I was sweating, talking all the time. So I found like my chin got really congested, and nothing I did would help it. So I switched to their acne solutions line, and this has really helped. So if any of you have to wear your masks a lot, I find that this has really like helped clean up my pores. So highly recommend that. And then if you've been a subscriber for a while, you know that this is my standby. For my moisturizer, I always use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel as my daily moisturizer. I just find, especially because I'm quite oily, especially right now in the summer, which is interesting. Yeah, this is always my go-to. Okay, towel off, excuse my hair, I have short hair, and I always come out looking like a chia pet. Okay, so to get ready, usually what I would do is I would use like a primer and then foundation. However, my skin just doesn't want that. In the summer, I don't want that. So I got a sample of this, and this has been my go-to all summer. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing BB Gel. I've talked about this a little bit before, I think, but not so much. This is like my new favorite thing. It's so smooth, it goes on like a moisturizer. But the interesting thing, comes out, it's like gray. But then, as you work it into your skin, it actually transitions to your skin color. So I usually just put it on like my normal foundation brush, which hasn't had foundation on for a while. And then I just smooth it around, just like you would your normal foundation. However, it's a moisturizer, so it's nice and light. It gives me sheer coverage and enough color. And my face is a little bit tan. My face doesn't tan well. My face is tanned a little bit, so I really like it. Doesn't feel too hot. However, the last few days, it has gotten quite cool out. It feels like fall has made a grand entrance, and I'm not too keen on it. Now, I still do concealer because #momlife. So for concealer, I'm just reaching for it. This is an old standby. This is the Rimmel Match Perfection in Fairlight 240. And I just like this. It's quick, it's easy, it's not too thick. Now, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a professional. This is just my go-to quick little routine that I thought that I would share with you guys. So how has your summer been? I will be honest, I have struggled a little bit this summer. So I had, obviously, I've talked about it already. Why did I hair on my face? I've talked about it already. I worked for the Stampede, so that was busy, and Stampede was in July. I finished July 18th. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder, or Transparent Powder, sorry, that I always use just to kind of set everything. So anyways, finished Stampede July 18th. And that had kind of like taken over my life for probably 6 months. And I almost feel like I felt like I was hit by a Mack truck when it was all done, just because it consumed me and every day, and then all of a sudden nothing. And it was really hard. And it was hard to relax and turn my brain off, and I felt like my body was tired. I was tired. This is my bronzer. It's the Bourjois Matte Illusion Bronzing Powder. And it took me a while to like unwind and relax, decompress, calm down. So like I switched my phone off. I tried to get back into YouTube right away, but that was difficult because I just felt like I needed time just with my family, just to relax, kind of get going again. This little palette, I know it's grungy, I'm sorry. This is the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I love this. There's a bronzer, blush, and what do you call that? Highlighter all in one. And I kind of use this for everything. Sometimes I even use this for like eyeshadow. And maybe I'll even do that today. So I would use the highlighter all over my eye. So yeah, so anyways, it took me a while to calm down from Stampede. And then I kind of just immersed myself, not back into being a mummy, obviously I'm a mom, but I felt like Ava and Mir kind of had to take a back seat for a little bit, which isn't great. And then I'm just going to use the bronzer. So I really wanted to focus in on them, but then I just have found it hard to get back into YouTube. And obviously that's not fair to all of you who have subscribed to me, but it's just been hard to get back into regular uploading rhythm. And then I just was lost as to what everybody wants to see. You know, you try and follow trends. I'm just gonna do a quick eyebrow. This is the Rimmel Eyebrow powder as well in medium brown. So yeah, I just haven't felt, I don't know, actually, you know what? I've been intimidated by YouTube. I think that's the best way to say it. I've been intimidated. You know, you second guess yourself, you judge yourself, you're your own worst critic. I just like sharing, and then I think for some reason I got caught up in like, I only had this many views and nobody likes it and I should just stop. So I don't know. You guys let me know. You let me know what you want to see. And also follow me over on Instagram. I'm going to try and get back on Instagram a little bit as well. I don't know. I think this summer, especially after the craziness of work, I think I just wanted to like take a step back, take a deep breath, and relax. So eyeliner, I just do a tiny bit. So I'm gonna use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black, and then the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. All right, so literally for makeup, it's kind of like all I've been doing all summer. It's been working for me. It's nice and light. I don't have to overthink it. Anyways, I think I'm gonna try and get back on track with YouTube. I don't know, it doesn't really matter about the views. I know that. I just love doing it. And then, you know, when you put so much into something or into editing and then nobody watches it, I think that got to me. But I don't really care. I shouldn't care. I just like sharing. And, you know, I don't really go, sorry, hold on. I don't necessarily go with what's on trend. I know I'm not good at like making my titles. I know I'm not good at like catchphrases or anything. That's not really why I'm doing it. Okay, okay, so lippy, I'm gonna go with a red just because I feel a little bit tired today and that always pops me up. So this is the Maybelline New York Superstay Ink Crayon in Hustle in Heels. I like it. It's like a little orangey red, which is nice for summer. Oh, little Miss Muffet. Hold on one sec, baby.
Good morning.
This little Miss Muffet has quite the little opinion now as to what she likes to wear in the morning. So now it's always dresses, right? She always wants to wear dresses. So I'm gonna get her dress, blow dry my hair, and then we'll wrap up this video. Get ready. Okay, little Miss Muffet is dressed. I'm going to finish and then I gotta go off to my meeting. All right, and then for short hair, this is like an old standby. I've loved this for years. This is Defy Destruct Medium Hold Molding Cream with Low Shine. I've used this forever. I just take like literally not even a dime size amount, smooth it in my hair, and that's why I love short hair, because I'm done. And little Miss Muffet is all dressed, so Ava wants to show you her dress. Here is Ava's little outfit for the day. Ooh, gorgeous little girl. Her dress, her dress is from Carter's. All right, so it is time for me to go to work, little Miss Muffet. She isn't too happy about me going. I know, kiddo. But I got to go. So, okay. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me video, and I shared a couple of my new favorite products that I've been loving for this summer and babbled along, and I hope you didn't mind. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's time for me to go to work. Bye.